In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit thank you page in Jotform. Now there's two ways to do this. The quickest one is to simply just add a new page over here, and you can go ahead and go to the thank you page directly, and it's going to allow you to edit it. Or in case you don't have multiple pages like this, you could go to the settings tab up top, then go to over here on the left where it says thank you page, click on that, and from here you can say you can basically show a thank you page after submission or redirect to external link after submission. So up to you. I'm going to leave it like this, and then here you can go ahead and basically change it. Thank you for your answers, like this, for example. You can go ahead and type in here whatever you want, like this. As you can see, it's completely customizable, and of course you could also change these icons up here if you want to, add alternative text, whatever you want to do. So that's basically how to edit your thank you page, and then whenever you're done, it's just going to set this as the new thank you page. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.